Do you want to learn how to make captivating shorts, reels, and stories so that you can crush it on social media?
Whether you're a personal brand or a business looking to jumpstart your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or even TikTok, this is the perfect course for you.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Dan. We are both professional video creators with years of real-world experience growing our own channels as well as helping others do the same.
This Shorts Film School will teach you the technical side of making stunning shorts and stories, but also how to use visuals, storytelling, and all of the features of these apps to build a better connection with your audience. Once you enroll, you'll get instant access to easy to watch video lessons, downloadable guides and resources that are going to help you out, and premium support if you ever have a question or get stuck.
After taking this course, you will know about the equipment you need to make super high quality videos on any budget. You'll know how to create an actionable content plan that's well researched and perfect for using across multiple platforms. Repurposing your content, meaning less work for you and more exposure and output. You'll know what works best for each major platform you'll want to utilize, including YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok. We'll create the perfect shorts video template, so you can use this every time to create great quality shorts and make it easier for you to produce and edit them en masse.
This is a very practical based course where we're going to be looking at our own channels using case studies of what we've done in the past. Dan and I have also come up with a new brand that we'll be using to create example content. So you'll see the entire process from beginning to end as we create it right in front of you.
Whether you're looking to grow your own business or your own brand, land a great marketing job, or just learn it for fun, we truly believe this is the perfect course for you.
We can't wait to see you in the next lesson. See you there.